Good morning and Jai Hind students. This is the second part of the chapter Agriculture and Industries as the 14th chapter. In this chapter we will discuss about the industries. Do you know what is the industries? An industry is a group of companies that are related based on their primary business activities. It is a group of productive enterprises and or organization that reproduce or supply goods, services or sources of income. In industries, the raw material are converted in finished goods. As we can see in our around, there are television, books, pens, tables, utensils, cloths, sugar. These are all finished goods. We can use these goods. The material we need for making finished goods are called raw material. The major industries in the Indian economic are iron and steel, textile, jute, sugar, cement, paper, petrol, chemicals, automobile, information technology. And some other information for you. These are the major industries. First is Reliance Industries, second Indian Oil Corporation, third Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, and fourth is State Bank of India. Now, which industry is growing fast in India? The service sector has been the highest growing sector in 6 years. The industry sector was fastest growing sector in 1 year and the agriculture sector was fastest growing sector in 2 years. It was some information in brief about industries. Raw material, the basic material from which a product is made is known as raw material. For example, wood, cotton, sugarcane, etc. And the finished goods are goods that have a completed and manufacturing process such as books, sugar, pen, television. Different scales of industries. In India, industries can be divided into 3 types as cottage industries, small scale industries and large scale industries. As we can see in this picture, this is the cottage industries. As we can see, this is the lady which is sewing a cloth and this is the man who making the pots by using soil, and this is the making rope out of coir, a small scale industries. Now this is the map of industries. As you can see in the right part, this is the heavy electricals, black part such like as a automobile is a steel, and the arrow which is looking in green is oil refineries, yellow is textile, blue is shipbuilding, and just like aeroplane is the aircraft, and this is the car. At last, this is the automobile. Now we will discuss different types of industries. First, we will discuss cottage industry. It employs very few people and works with a simple tools. Locally available raw materials are used in this type of the industries, mainly handicraft, pottery, hand woven and embroidered cloths are baskets are made in cottage industries. Some cottage industries make shoes, shawl and toys. And the small scale industries, they use small machines and employ more people. Normally furniture, utensils, plastic goods and the electrical goods are made in small scale industries. In a country, With a huge population like India, cottage industries and the small scale industries are very popular and useful because they can employ a large number of people. They can be set up easily in rural areas to prevent the population from moving to cities in search of work. Now we will discuss about a large scale industries. Large scale industries employ thousands of the people and use large machines. They large produce goods in large quantities. Textile, steel, automobiles and ship are manufactured in large scale industries. Large scale industries are very expensive in build and start. Modern method of production are easily used in large scale industry. As a result, better goods can be produced more cheaply. This is the reason large scale industries are being encouraged in India. Some of the important large scale industries in India are steel plant. It is in Visakhapatnam, Bokaro, Raurkela, Jamshedpur and Durgapur, Bhilai, etc. Textile mills. It is in Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Surat, Kanpur, Kolkata, etc. Heavy electrical goods in Bhopal, Ranchi. Automobile factories in Gurgaon and Pune, Chennai, etc. Shipbuilding, it is in Visakhapatnam, Kochi and Mumbai. Aircraft manufacturing, it is in Bangalore and Kanpur. Oil refineries in Assam, Mathura, Gujarat, Bihar. There are many other industries also which manufacture cement, paper, fertilizers, electronic goods, plastic goods, computer, etc. In the past few years, the industries like the telecom, computer, software, and the business process outsourcing have grown tremendously. Now, India is regarded as a leader in making computer software. Bengaluru, Chennai, and the Hyderabad are the major software producing centers. Now we will discuss. I now know agriculture is the main occupation of the people of our country. A wide variety of the crops are grown in India. Rice is the most important food crop. Industry converts raw material into finished goods. Industries can be classified as cottage, small scale and large scale. Cottage and small scale industries are useful in creating employment opportunities in rural areas. And the last 7, large scale industries can produce a large volume of the goods cheaply.